BBAI stock analysis next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this space with 43,000 video track record or 5 years of experience. And it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of dollars to learn the skills that everything changed. And you obviously don't have to spend that amount. That's why I'm here. Now, with BBAI, last 2 trades have been just straight up break-evens for me. Break-even also got hit, but this is like part of trading. This is going to happen. And what I'll do, just get rid of all this stuff. Obviously, my target's still about to be the stop at 871, and I just hope I see the price give me the confirmation yet again going to this next week. So I've got like 5 trades, through 3 wins and then 2 break-evens. And unironically, because break-even is a break-even, it's just 0. I'm still willing to risk my like a 1 hour to, you know, make that 5, because I do think this timing about to be crazy. But I'm just not gonna pull the trigger randomly on Monday. I hope I see the price go down a bit and give me the rules here. And all I would do in the meantime is just still keep waiting for rules to be met. BBAI, look at this. Got about 84 results in the Discord. That's a lot, you know what I mean? So stay tuned. And if you want to get my money making emails for insights for free, you know, free market picks daily, click the first link in the description to make more. It's free.